Hello, thanks for joining us today. In this video, we'll be looking at how to collect and generate reports on all materials used within your project. We'll begin with the newer Excel reporting. Excel reporting collects all the materials and produces a report in one operation, unlike subsequent reporting methods. First, go to the Output tab and select Excel lists. You can then select from structural and/or architectural report types, each with their own respective lists. Select the required report and press the OK button. Vertex will then collate all the pieces and then open an Excel report. Alternatively, the older method is still available and is a relatively simple two-step process. The first is to collect all the materials within the project required. This is achieved by the Collect Materials option within the Output tab of the main ribbon. Next, you can choose which drawing model pairs the materials are collected from. In this example, the All option is selected to quickly select all active modeling pairs. Now select OK, and then Vertex will collect all the materials used within the project and collate them into the Collected Materials database. This database contains all the information for the materials, and this information will vary dependent on the material type. The data page can now be closed by clicking OK. Please note, if further materials are then added to the project, you will be required to run Collect Materials again via the Output tab. The next step is to generate the report itself. Again, found in the Output tab, go to the Reports command. The Output Formats window will show with the available reports. Available reports will depend on the customization your software has had, as further custom reports can be developed and added here. Within the basic software, there are a variety of basic report types, such as costing reports, cutting lists, and summary lists. Many reports can also be output in the Excel format rather than the standard text file output. Simply choose the report you require and select OK. BD will then run a query on the Collected Materials database on the given conditions by the report type. A Collected Materials database showing the collected materials queried will then be displayed. Now click OK, and the gathered information will be utilized to create a report. Reports are automatically saved into the Reports folder within the root folder of your project. They can also be quickly accessed via your project document browser. Thank you for watching this video. Join us for our next video where we'll be looking at updating drawings within Vertex BD.